My first almost wedding.
Oh, it's our last family picture together. How long has it been?
Over 3 years ago.
Wow. Time flies when you're alive.
Sid was living in Los Angeles, being a plastic surgeon, and she flew in for the wedding.
Your attention, please. This is the emergency public warning system. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
An evacuation order has been issued by the Ontario Public Safety Agency due to a fire that is spreading rapidly in southern Toronto. All residents west of Highway 404 and east of the Peel County line up to the Ontario 401 Express are being evacuated. An evacuation center is being set up at the Aurora Heights baseball field in Newmarket. The emergency information number for residents 1-833-303-4630. If you are in the affected area, follow the directions of local authorities.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
What? Mugshot?